Hi, I'm Jennifer from Shabby Fabrics. I am excited to show you about the Daylight Wafer Light Boxes. I find myself using these in more and more of my projects at home as well as on video with you. And more people are asking about these. We do have right now, as we speak, the medium-sized one, and now we're adding the small and the large to our availability as well, because I'm just finding when you have a small project, you want to work with a small one, and with a large project, especially a large diagram, maybe it's hand embroidery, I really don't want to have a smaller light box because I could be having to shift my diagram and my fabric because it's potentially larger than the actual light box itself. This is again from the Daylight Light Company. There's inches and centimeters across the top and along the left side of the light box for alignment, which is really helpful as well. The small one is 9 by 12.5. The medium is 12.5 by 17.5. And their newest edition, this larger format, is 18 by 23.5 inches. So it's pretty huge. So if you've got a big diagram, you're probably not going to have to shift it ever. You'll be able to just put your pattern down, your fabric on top, and trace without ever having to move or slide anything around, which I absolutely love. This is 3/8 inch thick. It's durable, so durable. It doesn't get hot, which I love that. Some of my previous light boxes, I definitely was feeling the heat coming off of that light box. These just don't have that at all. There's just no heat coming off of that. The thing else that I also love about these light boxes is that you can have varying degrees of brightness. My other light boxes are either on or off. There's nothing in between. Here, let me show what I mean. I'm just going to turn this one off. Watch as I hold the button down, the power button on. It's just going to continue to get brighter and brighter and brighter till its brightest setting. I think that's an incredible feature because some people are really sensitive to light, or if you're looking at something for a long time, you might not want that brightest setting. So in that instance, I would turn this off and then I would stop at say I like it there. What's neat about that, let's say that's your favorite spot. When I turn my light box off and turn it back on, it will come back to that setting. It's not going to go to the brightest setting again. Watch. I'll turn it off, back on. It goes to that setting again, which is great. Now, if you want to reset that, you would just turn it off and keep holding it to wherever you have your favorite setting. So I can't recommend the Daylight light boxes to you enough. You're going to find so many uses. And of course, we have more projects and videos coming at you all the time where having the light box in your craft and sewing room would just be a wonderful addition. So definitely grab your favorite size or maybe multiples, and we'll get crafting together.